Transform your OpenOffice creations into universally shareable PDFs with this quick and easy tutorial. First, open the document you wish to convert to a PDF in OpenOffice. Once your document is ready, navigate to the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. From the File menu, hover your mouse over the Export As option. This will reveal a submenu. In the submenu, select Export as PDF. This action will immediately open the PDF export options window. Here in the Export PDF dialog box, you'll see several tabs for customizing your PDF for most standard documents. The default settings under the General tab are perfectly fine. Ensure that Save to Disk is selected, which is the most common way to create a PDF. You can also directly email the PDF if that's your preference. After reviewing your settings, click the Save button. A standard Save As dialog box will then appear, allowing you to choose where to save your PDF file on your computer. Give your PDF a descriptive name and select your preferred folder once you've chosen your location and file name. Click the Save button again. And just like that, your document has been successfully converted into a PDF file. You can now find your PDF in the location you specified, ready to be shared or viewed on any device. It's that simple to ensure your OpenOffice work maintains its formatting and looks exactly as you intended, no matter who it's sent to. So the next time you need to share your documents, remember this easy process for creating professional-looking PDFs from OpenOffice.